The 323 series, 323U, 323K, is a DC electric multiple unit (EMU) train type operated by West Japan Railway Company (JR West) on the Osaka Loop Line in Osaka, Japan, since December 2016. The trains are replacing aging 103 series and 201 series trains. Design: the 8-car trains have stainless steel bodies, and the exterior livery features orange highlights. Each car has 3 pairs of sliding doors per side, unlike the 4 pairs per side on 103 and 201 series trains. Formation: the trains are formed of 8 cars formed as follows, with all cars motored, only one motored bogie per car. Car 2 has 2 WPS 2080 single-arm pantographs, and cars 5 and 8 each have one. Car 4 is designated as a women-only car. Interior: passenger accommodation feature longitudinal bench seating throughout, with priority seating at one end of each car, and a wheelchair stroller space at the opposite end. The passenger saloons use LED lighting, with the lighting in Car 4, women-only car, adjusted to have a more orange tungsten lighting tinge to distinguish it from other cars. Passenger information announcements are provided in 2 languages, and information screens are in 4 languages: Japanese, English, Chinese, and Korean, with pairs of screens over each door and pairs at either end of the cars. Wi-Fi service is also provided. Entry into service: a total of 21 8-car sets, 168 vehicles, are scheduled to be introduced between fiscal 2016 and 2018, entirely replacing the fleet of 23 103 and 201 series trains. The first trains will enter revenue service on 24 December 2016. History: details of the new trains on order were first announced by JR West in December 2014. The first trainset, LS01, was unveiled to the press at the Kinki Sharyo factory in Osaka on 24 June 2016 and delivered to JR West on 30 June. The trains entered revenue service on 24 December 2016. Build details: the build details for the fleet are as follows. References: external links. JR West press release, 8 December 2014, in Japanese.